Welcome student. Today in this video lecture we will learn MySQL functions. MySQL function is very lengthy topic. It should not cover in a single video lecture. So we will release series of MySQL functions. This is the first part of MySQL function. Without wasting time, let's start it. Function. A group of statement, procedure, routine with the name that together perform a specific task is known as function. Suppose Ucase is a function. By name it is clear that the function convert all the character of a string in capital letters. Similarly, there are number of functions available in MySQL. In MySQL, basically the functions are classified in three categories. Number one, string or text function. Number two, numeric function. Number three, date and time function. Student, there are number of functions in MySQL. It is not possible to learn each and every function, but here are some functions showing on your screen that are commonly used and asked by CBSE. So take out copy and pen and note down all these MySQL functions. Now first function, Lcase or lower. It converts the character of a string to lowercase characters, that is small letter, and syntax lower in bracket string or Lcase in bracket string. Now let's move to the MySQL screen. Now I am starting my MySQL, entering my password. You enter your password and okay. Now this time I'll use my database that I already created. So the first function is Lcase. Lcase means all the characters should be converted in lowercase. So the first example, suppose this is select lower and I'm putting one string in this lower function. Suppose Loila. Here the output is Loila, all are in lowercase. Suppose another example, select Lcase and I'm putting here suppose Loila, and again this is showing all are in lowercase. Similarly, we can use this function in our data also. Suppose the question is list out first name and date of birth of all employees in lowercase. So the query is select, suppose this is first name, this first name, and I'm writing only to display the first name in as it is case whatever stored in the database, and this is the function Lcase. You can write Lcase either in upper or lower, because you already know that MySQL is not a case sensitive language. First name, and suppose DOP from employee. So here all the name are showing in lowercase. So I hope student you understood this Lcase function. So similarly you do Ucase function. I'm not going to explain this Ucase function. Now come to the next function. Next function is Concat. This function used to join two or more string into one string, and syntax concat expression1 expression2 so on. You can write many expression, but all the expression should be separated by comma. So let's start it. suppose select concat, and in concat I am putting this time two strings, suppose Loyola, and then this is a string high, and then school. And semicolon. This is showing Loyola High School, but student, here there is no space between Loyola High School. So what you do, you just give one space just before H and this one space before S, and now then this is showing Loyola High School. Similarly, come to the second example. And what is the meaning of expression? In the syntax there I written expression. What is the actually meaning of expression? Expression defines any value, so here any value you can put. Suppose this is select, and suppose you are writing concat, and then suppose this is suppose Loyola, and putting here 1 2 3. So what will be the output? Just guess. Some of you think Loyola 1 2 3, some of you think Loyola space 1 2 3, maybe error. So actually the result is Loyola 1 2 3. That is the actual meaning of expression. Expression means any value. There is not defined exactly the string value, so you can put any type of value. Okay, now let's move to this example. Use on data. Suppose question is list out name of all employees, or better, suppose list out name and date of birth of all employees. So this time I'll use this concat function this way. Suppose this is select name, but there is no name field in employee table, so I'll use this one, concat first name, then last name, but better if I'll put one space, that the result will be look more good. So this is last name, and then as this is what, column aliasing, and name, then comma, suppose date of birth, and then from employee. Now the output is showing this way, name. In the name, all these two means first name and last name are concatenated. So student, I hope you understood the concat function. Now move to the next function. Next function is length function. It returns the number of character in a string, and the syntax is length string. Now go move to the example. Now example of length function. Select, suppose length, and here I'm putting suppose Ravi. So what will be the output? 4. And this function you can also use this way, gth length, but this is what number, suppose 1 to 4, then the output will be why? Okay, sorry, I've written wrong, that's why. This is showing 4. So I hope student you understood this one, length function. Now suppose how to use this length function in a question. Suppose the question is list out name and salary of all employees whose first name length is more than 5. Then the query will be select, suppose first name, salary of all employees. Then here I am writing from employee, from length first name should be greater than 5. First name, sorry, first name should be greater than 5, semicolon, enter. So here only the 3 got. So here I am winding up this video lecture, and other function you will learn in upcoming videos. So in case of any query or doubt, let me in comment section. And thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.